Hi students, welcome back to our English class. We are studying the lesson My Sister's Shoes from the second unit. It is an extract taken from the screenplay of the film Children of Heaven, a 1997 Iranian family drama directed by Majid Majidi. He deals with a brother named Ali and a sister named Sarah and their adventures over a lost pair of shoes. In the previous class, we discussed the first two scenes, that is, Ali receives his sister Sarah's pink shoes from the cobbler after repairing them. Then he enters a bakery and collects some baked naan, stacks them on a piece of cloth, and ties the cloth into a bundle. Now we move to the scene 3. Let's read the text. Scene 3. The footpath outside the bakery. A small group of men are waiting in a queue outside the bakery to buy naan. The outline of buildings in the street is seen in the distance. Ali is seen coming out from the bakery into the footpath. The parcel of naan in his right hand and the parcel of shoes in his left. He crosses the pavement and walks into a vegetable store. He places the bundle of naan on top of a pile of boxes of vegetables stacked in front of the shop and bag of shoes in the small gap between two boxes. On the soundtrack, a hawker's voice is heard. Salt, salt for trade. The shopkeeper is seen standing behind the counter. Ali to the shopkeeper, Assalamu alaikum Akbar Akha, I need some potatoes. Akbar, the shopkeeper, gives Ali a small black bag to put potatoes in. Ali starts picking the large wholesome potatoes in a box at the top of the heap. Akbar, not those kids, picks some down there. Ali moves to his right, squats down and fills the bag with smaller potatoes from a box on the floor. Close-up of Ali picking the potatoes. Cut to view of the shop from the pavement. A man pushing a handcart filled with junk enters the frame from the right and stops in front of the shop. The junk collector loudly to the shopkeeper, Assalamu alaikum, with your permission. The junk collector picks up bundles of used polythene bags lying scattered on the floor near the boxes of vegetables and throws them into the cart. He sees Ali's parcel of shoes. Taking it for junk, he picks it up and puts it in the cart. The junk collector, goodbye. Akbar, goodbye. The junk collector leaves. Cut to view from inside the shop. Akbar is on the left edge of the frame counting money. Cut to Ali filling his bag with potatoes. Ali finishes filling the bag and hands it to Akbar for weighing. Akbar holds the bag in his hand to feel the weight for a moment and hands it back to Ali. Akbar, 65 tomans. Ali, my mom said to put it on our tab. Akbar, tell her your account has reached its limit. She should pay at least part of it. Ali, alright. Ali turns to go. Cut to view from outside the shop. He goes to the pile of boxes in front of the shop and picks the bundle of naan and then looks for the bag of shoes. Unable to find it, he places the bag of naan atop the vegetable boxes and begins to search underneath. First, he puts his hand and then his head in the gap between the boxes of vegetables, which upset them all. The vegetable boxes tumble and vegetables scatter on the ground. On hearing the sound, Akbar comes running from inside the shop and sees the vegetables strewn on the ground. Akbar, annoyed, what the hell are you doing? Why did you spill these? Are you crazy? Ali, looking at him with guilt, my sister's shoes have disappeared. Akbar, get lost, beat it. Ali, I left my sister's shoes here. Akbar, I said get lost, bangs his fist on a pile of boxes. Ali runs away scared. Ali now goes into a vegetable shop, keeps the bundle of naan on top of a vegetable box and places the bag of shoes in a gap between two boxes. He collects potatoes. The shop owner Akbar warns Ali that their credit is over the limit. He tells Ali to inform his parents that they should pay some money, otherwise they will not get any more vegetable on credit. Meanwhile, a junk collector comes and takes Ali's bag of shoes, thinking that it is junk. Ali comes out and searches for the bag of shoes, but it is missing. He becomes upset and afraid and searches everywhere frantically. He tumbles vegetable boxes and Akbar gets angry and he shouts at Ali. Ali runs away scared. Let's see the meaning of some difficult words. Pavement means footpath. Hawker, a person who travels to sell goods. Akka means Mr. or Sir. Squats down means sits down. Junk, garbage. Tab, a bill for goods you receive but pay for later. Tumble means fell down. Strewn means to be spread over a surface. Spill means overturned. Beat it means to go away. So students, that's all for today. Read the textbook thoroughly. See you in the next class. Thank you.